In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a trailer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a polished podcast trailer inside Spotify for podcasters, so listeners get a clear, exciting first impression of your show. First, open Spotify for podcasters and select Create Episode. This is your starting point for anything you publish, and it's the same place you'll use for full episodes later on. Taking a moment to confirm you're on the right podcast in your dashboard helps keep everything organized, especially if you work on multiple projects. Create Episode opens a clean workspace where you can set the tone for your trailer from the very beginning. Next, choose Trailer as the episode type. This tells the platform that this audio is a concise introduction to your show. Trailers are typically short, punchy, and designed to hook new listeners. Think of it as a movie preview for your podcast. A quick taste of your voice, your topic, and why someone should follow. Aim for around 30 to 90 seconds and focus on energy, clarity, and a single, memorable takeaway about what makes your show worth their time. Now upload your audio or record directly in Spotify for podcasters. If you already produced a trailer elsewhere, drag in your MP3 or WAV file and let it process. If you're recording here, find a quiet space, use a decent microphone if you have one, and do a quick test to check levels so your voice is clear without peaking. A simple structure works well. Open with a compelling hook, briefly share who the show is for, mention what listeners will get each week, and invite them to follow. Keep your delivery natural, smile while you speak to add warmth, and leave tiny pauses so it's easy to trim if needed. If you stumble, stop, take a breath, and pick up the sentence again. Clean takes make editing smoother. Finally, add a title and description. Your title should be unmistakable. Something like Podcast Trailer or Welcome to Your Show Name works great and makes it obvious to new listeners. In the description, summarize the promise of your show in 1 or 2 short paragraphs. Highlight the core topic, the value listeners will get, and your release cadence like weekly or bi-weekly. Use clear, searchable terms that reflect your niche, and end with a friendly call to action inviting people to follow so they don't miss the first full episode. That's it. You've opened Spotify for podcasters, chosen trailer, added your audio, and written a clear title and description. You're now set with a professional trailer that introduces your show with confidence.